Hello, hello, and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Me and Debbie Harry, we're having a great day, aka Blondie, the world famous Rapture, or call me on the line. You can call me anytime. Call me. I love her so much. We're going to do a Get Ready With Me with the She's in Parties palette from Milk Cosmetics. This palette is so beautiful. It's very goth. It's very dark and lovely and blackberry and shimmery lavender. And it's just a great muted palette. And I feel like I need to embrace my dark side today. We're going to do a little bronzer. I've already done my foundation, which was from Bare Minerals, their delightful tinted moisturizer. I got it in BoxyCharm. I'm using my Cover FX Sun-Kissed Bronze. We're going to bronze up a little bit, give us some cheekbones. I was instructed this morning that I do have cheekbones, and I should be grateful for them because not everyone has cheekbones. Not everybody's able to contour as easily as I do on some days. Some days I'm better blending than others. But so gratitude is the key to today. And I'm going to go with a very pale, well, Pat McGrath. This is the Divine Blush Glow and Trio Galactic Sun. So I'm going to use this beautiful rosy shade in here. And it comes off very natural. It's very cool toned. Just a little flush of color. Just a little flush. We don't want anything too dramatic because the eyes are going to be full of drama. Drama, I say. Dramatic eyes will hypnotize. And I am using a different brow product. I've gone back to an old favorite. I was using some delightful Anastasia Beverly Hills that I got in a box. And it ran out. So I'm back to the NYX Fluff and Fill in taupe, and it's a much better color match for me to my natural brow. Why did I ever leave you? I strayed so far, but I've come home, Fluff and Fill. I've come home. Let's get in here before I start pledging allegiance to the NYX company. I'm gonna go into Total Immortal. This dusty lavender color. Oh, it's so pigmented. I forgot how pigmented it is. But I'm going to put that in the crease. It's so beautiful. Looks great with this gray shirt. And it is the middle of summer. It's almost back to school time. So it means it's almost back to Halloween time. I love Halloween very much. I know that's probably a big shock. Me and the Halloween go way back. I feel like I have so much makeup on. Because I do. Let's get this dual fiber brush and blend some of this out so it doesn't feel so harsh. Soften my face up a little bit. Oh, it's so much nicer. It feels so much better. And this is a Scott Barnes number 68 brush. I tried to go back to order another one of these brushes from Scott Barnes, the 64, but they're out of stock. And this is like my favorite blush brush, but it's getting kind of worn down on one side because I use it like every time I put makeup on, I use it. And brushes do make a difference. I will tell you that for sure. Let's go into Last Caress in the outside corner here. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my God, it's so pretty. There's a great song, Last Caress, that was covered by lead singer Pearl Jam. Oh my God, it's so dark on this side. Eddie Vedder. Where can my baby be? I don't know enough of the words to sing the song to you. I'm sure that's a big loss in your world. Because I sing all the time. Oh my gosh, it's so dark and lovely. I'm going to go into Strange Love with my finger. And put it on my lid. It's a shimmer. So beautiful. Then I'm going to go into Skeleton Kiss. Which is also a shimmer. And put that on the inner corner. And blend that in with Strange Love, which is a great Depeche Mode song. This is starting to look really pretty. I need to build it up over here a little. My eyes are just not even. I can't even them out sometimes. That looks more even. I just have to do the best that I can. Let's do some liner and mascara and I'll be right back. And voila, we have mascara and liner on. And my liner today is Il Maquillage waterproof eyeliner, and it's got a very fine point to it, and I really like it. It's something different. I've been using the House Labs for so long that I was like, I need to switch up my liner game. And then I've been using this Maybelline Colossal Curl and Bounce mascara, and it's pretty good. It does do a good job curling. And for my lips, I need to do something neutral. And you know what I do when I say I need to do something neutral. I go for something really neutral. And I think this doesn't even have what, I don't even know if they still make this. It's a beautiful color. It is number 822. L'Oreal. Something caramel, and it's an infallible line. Oh, that's really good. And the application is great. It looks fantastic with this eye look, which was very simple. She's in parties. I love it. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.